Hello from NiMH's YouTube channel. This is Mark Josie. Today is a review of this flashlight right here from Lumintop. Wow, they say Merry Christmas right here. It is actually the super must-have flashlight combo called the 20 AA. So I used to love the Lumintop 20 AAA. This guy, you can have it on this setup with the magnetic tail clip. So it's actually magnetic. Just to show you, you can stick it to any steel surface. Okay, so this guy, you can change it with the clicky, so you have a tail cap setup as well. So this thing runs on one AAA. This is the bigger brother, and now this come in a full package. What I mean, okay, let's take it up, take it out. Okay, so first that's the light, sexy blue. Okay, and you have this greenish clicky. Now this guy has a 14500 inside, so it's super bright. So bright. Okay, and you can use it with the pocket clip. If you don't like, you can take it out. Okay, now it comes with the other head right here for the magnetic, and also a diffuser. Amazing. Now this is a twisty. Okay, twisty like this. Okay, magnetic, and the magnet inside here is actually stronger than this one because this one has a very small tube. The other one is super big. Look at that. Okay, you can use the AA, or you can use your NiMH rechargeable AA, or you can use the 14500. Now for more power, going to the highest power, you will want the 14500. But it's fine, longer run time with the normal AA battery. And then this is super useful. You see, turn it on. This mode, lowest mode, I believe. Yeah. Wow, so bright. Okay, lowest mode. Okay, this mode is enough for you to navigate around the house in the dark. And like even reading, this is kind of too bright. I wish they come with a firefly kind of mode, something weaker than this. But I don't see that right here. Okay, so too bad. But yeah, it's really, really bright. Look at that. Holy. And then glow in the dark. Look at that. Wow. Just for that feature, glow in the dark, so nice. And they also come with lanyard loop, which is very sweet. Very sturdy lanyard loop with the lock right here. Okay. Wow, they have a lock. Look at that. Purplish lanyard loop. Sexy. I like that. I like how they give you this kind of lanyard loop with the lock, so you can actually set how big this hole to be, this loop to be, and then it's more customized for your hand, right? The other one that don't have this feature, it's always neither too big or too small, and it's not really good feeling, right? Now here they have a manual, English and Chinese. Now let me try to use this for reading, and let's see if it's actually too bright. Whoa. Okay. Now I'm on the lowest mode. Okay. So using it for reading up close is actually pretty good. It's actually very comfortable to the eyes. Now this is they actually gave you the spec for 3 kinds of battery. Okay, so on the high mode, 14500, you have the can't see with the glasses right here. Oh my, getting old right now, huh? So on the high mode, it's 550 lumen, and then if you use alkaline, which is the normal AA, is 110 lumen, and if you use NiMH, which is the rechargeable, that is 120 lumen. I think I will be using NiMH for the long run. Okay, the medium mode, they're all about the same, except for the 14500s, which goes to 95 lumen. It's like super boosted with this one. And for the normal batteries, the AA, they're 25 lumen. And then the lowest mode right now, right here, is 8 lumen, while the other 2 battery is 7 lumen. So actually using NiMH is not so bad because it actually dims the lower mode a little bit down and makes it more practical for real usage. Now the runtime is amazing with NiMH. Okay, the rechargeable AA, the high mode, you get 2 hours and 55 minutes on the highest mode. Right, that's crazy. Okay, on the medium mode, you get that's 11 hours and 40 minutes. Medium mode, okay, that's the 25 lumen. And 25 lumen, what can it do? Well, in the dark, if you're living in a big house, 25 lumen is enough for you to look at everything in the dark, okay, around the house. It's really enough. In the dark, I mean, like in a really dark situation, right? Not with lights on, of course. So, yeah, it's enough already. And then on the lowest mode, which is the 7 lumen mode, it runs for 30 hours and 30 minutes, longest time. So, really, you know, if you're the kind of person who need this light as a practical survival, you know, that kind of light, I would say, you know, just keep it on the NiMH and use it with the NiMH for longer run time and make more sense. But in case you like this thing for power, you can always turn it up with the 14500 whenever you like. Wow, look at that. Now a little bit comparison with the AAA version right here. Oh, that's the brightest? Okay, that's the brightest. See? Well, the AAA is also very bright, but it's just not the same kind of brightness, you see? Okay? The other one is much, much, much brighter. Okay, so that's a big improvement from the AAA. Now, the AAA is something you can't put on the keychain. This is too big for the keychain, I think. Okay, it's good for the pocket, maybe. Maybe clip right here, something like that. Or you can even, this clip can also be reversed, so you can clip it on the cap and use it like a cap light, like this. Okay, that works too. Of course, it's waterproof and all that stuff. And for me, you know, I would like to keep it with the magnetic tail cap instead of a click key. We have too many click key lights right now. I like magnet, you know, like sticking it somewhere. And this thing got this diffuser, which acts as like a lantern or something, or, you know, signal light. If you keep this like this, turn on the lowest mode, okay, 7 lumen, and then stick this to somewhere, maybe like, if you're, you know, in a dorm or something, you can put it, you know, beside your door, stick it to the door frame, something like that, or maybe your car, you know, on top of your car. And you can always find your room or your car, or, you know, make people know that you're there, you know, with this thing around. Just some light that pops out of the dark and alert people, you know, make people look at you. Very useful. So, yeah, I think this year, seeing this Lumintop AA right here, whoa, it's really good because it's very different from a lot of AA flashlight. AA flashlight, you know, running on 14500 is nothing new, but this guy comes with a good package. It allows you to choose between your clicky tail cap, you know, tactical version, like that, or you can use the magnetic version, or you can use with or without the diffuser. And wow, even with the lanyard, you can look at that lanyard is good stuff. You can use it on other lights if you don't like it on this one, right? But you know, it's a full package, and they marketed it as a Christmas gift. But I think, you know, for any kind of gift situation, hand one of these to them. You know, your friend will love you. It's one of the package that just, wow, open up, plug in the battery, and there you go. No matter you have rechargeable, non-rechargeable, or the fancy 14500, it works. It's powerful. It's practical. I highly recommend this guy for this year's AA flashlight. This is like one of the most practical and like complete package you can get right now. It's really good. And I like blue. You know, like instead of everything going black, it was so boring, right? Now we have blue. Cool. It looks better, right? More vibrant, eye-catching. It spiced up your mood a little bit better. Okay, so that's it for today. Check out the link below to get yours, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Okay, look at that.